So LineVision is a company that is working to monitor, protect, and optimize the transmission grid across the globe. And what we're doing here today is working with the Xcel team to better understand the transmission lines going over the Mississippi River.
So today we're installing a non-contact sensor, and that's what LineVision really is. It's a non-contact sensor that allows us to evaluate the conductor position.
It's a non-contact solution, which is really helpful for putting our units up. Right now we're here in the field and we don't need to take an outage at all on the line, which is very convenient, so it's just attached directly to the structure.
So at Xcel, we're going to use this data to analyze our conductor health, and we can see where the conductors are, what the weather conditions are, and also correlate that to what our line loading is at that same time, so we can get an accurate picture of really what's going on with the conductors. And if there's any other differences to what we expect, then we know we might have an issue that needs further examination.
LineVision's technology is able to create a point cloud that allows Xcel's operations team to understand specifically where those conductors are, so they can add more capacity using something called dynamic line ratings.
Transmission constraints can be a really big limiting factor of how well you can bring renewables onto the grid. If you're bringing on a lot of additional generation, you might be limited by what the lines can actually carry. And so by using dynamic line ratings, we can see that in a lot of cases there's a cooling effect from wind on the lines, and that means that the lines are not going to overheat above their maximum operating temperature. And so as long as we have an accurate reading on that, we can provide that information to Xcel so they know what their increased capacity might be.
If we have a method to gather data to assess their conductor health, we can, be more proactive in a replacement plan that would, improve our system reliability.